Hi guys, today I'm gonna walk through a special porridge which is usually prepared during the month of Ramadan. Let's see the ingredients. 1 cup of raw rice where we need to put it in a mixer for about 10 seconds. Around 12 to 15 chopped onions, preferably small. If not, 2 big onions chopped. Take about half coconut grated, an inch of cinnamon as seen in the picture, and 3 cardamom, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, about 1.5 tablespoon of garlic paste, 4 tablespoon of ghee, quarter cup of chana dal, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seed, which is the methi seed, 2 green chilies sliced as seen in the picture, 1 sliced tomato, around 10 to 15 curry leaves, a small bunch of chopped coriander leaves, salt as required. Before we start, let's have both fenugreek seed, which is the methi seed, and chana dal soaked in fresh water for about 30 minutes. As a first step, place a pan on a medium flame and pour 4 tablespoons of ghee and wait till the ghee gets heated. Next, have the cinnamon and cardamom put together and fry it for a minute. Now, get onto a high flame and have the onions fry about couple of minutes until the onion changes to a light brown in color. Once the onions are well done, have the ginger and garlic paste fried together for a minute. As a next step, add salt as required. Now add the green chilies to the mixture and mix it well for about a minute. Once the green chilies are done, have the tomatoes mix it in the mixture as well. As you can see, the tomatoes are already halfway cooked. Now it's time to put some coriander leaves in the mixture. As you can see, almost 80% of the ingredients are already in the pan. Now it's time to pour some 8 cups of water in the mixture. Now stir it well and leave it for about 10 minutes until it reaches the boiling point. As you can see now, we got the whole mixture well boiled. At this stage, 3 more ingredients, which are the curry leaves, the rice, and the soaked mixture, actually the chana dal and the fenugreek seeds, are to be added simultaneously to this mixture. Leave it for about 20 minutes until the rice are fully cooked. But make sure we stir it at least once for a minute in the 10th minute. If needed, if only needed, we could add 3 more cups of water if you feel if it is too thickness to have it. Finally, last but not the least, 2 more ingredients, which are the coriander leaves and the coconut, the grated one, are added to this mixture and stir well for about a minute. And that's it. We have our Ramadan porridge ready to be served. There you go. Our dish is ready to be served. Thanks for watching and share if you like it.